So here's Dance AI app, AI Dance Video Maker, AI Video and Viral Dances, AI Dance Generator, create AI dance videos from any photo, animate yourself, friends, kids or pets with viral dance moves, fast, realistic and ready to share on social media, make anyone dance instantly with Dance AI. So AI Dance Generator, Dance AI Technology, AI Dance Creator, Photo to AI Dance Video, AI Dance Video Maker. So that's kind of the idea. This is what it is. Virus dance styles, share viral dance templates, explore studio shorts, and then double click to install it. And then welcome to Dance AI. So here it is. And then you just need to upload kind of. So there's full access, $7 per week, first week, and then $10 per week. Then there is a, you can see special offer. Then you can see in here, you can create your dance, pick a photo, apply this video motion to your photo. So for example, you just take a photo of yourself and then just add a video or select for specific videos and then just generate that. So that's kind of the idea. And then, yeah, then you can upgrade. There are no referral codes, invite codes, nothing. So that's kind of how you can try, and it's super cool because there are a lot of this viral TikTok. Okay, so these are photo shoots, but obviously there are viral TikTok dances, which you can just select from here as a template, upload your photo and generate yourself. Super easy in the app. You don't need to use some kind of APIs, anything, just use it in the app easily. So that's what it is.